Lagi, wala pa. Sige. So, para kung daliw na to, nag-record ba? Okay, 1 minute. Sige. Symbol to name, name to symbol. Natay 3 examples each para sure. Okay. Okay, so let's start with FeH2. Of course, we write our element first, FeH2. FeH2. So, ang FeH2 atong by part. Diba? Per element na siya ay kaugalingong bit load. So, H. Okay? So, now let's look at our periodic table. Kung na ba siya ay charge. And since naman, nasa periodic table, hydride. So, H minus 1, H minus 1. Alright? So, H minus 1, H minus 1. We add this one. And nanatay na minus 2. Alright? And then this one, we equate this one to 0 para ma-stabilize ang compound. So now, we also have two charges for Fe. And I forgot what are those. But with the help of our periodic table, we are going to be able to find our charges of Fe. So Fe, 26, this one. Okay, so you have 2 plus, or 2 positive and 3 positive. Now, how are we going to find out if it is 2 positive or 3 positive? So, we fill in the blank. Okay? So, step 1, write your compound symbol. And then, next step, write element by, and then, you betlog each element. Betlog each element. Okay. So we have 2 plus 3 plus. So nara sa 2. But we have minus 2 here and we can add 2 plus. 2 plus para may mo siyang 0. So 2 positive plus 2 negative, we can get 0. So now we can write our compound name. So Fe is iron. This is the name of the metal. And then the charge, iron 2, and then hydride. So unsay nakita sa column. So hydride, also kung wala pa nakita, nasa second column. Okay? So iron 2 hydride. So iron 2 hydride. Okay. So ano taani? FeH2. Check sa palmolive. Next, HgO. O na siya guys. O. So, HgO. Of course, this is our element, compound symbol. Now, let us write it by parts. So, duwa lang man ni siya ka bitlog. Ay, duwa raman siya ka elements. So, first bitlog, we have Hg. And second bitlog, we have O. So, Hg. What is Hg? Mercury. So, mercury, so O, oxide, na siya 2 charges. Na siya oxide, 2 negative, ayan, yung charge. Ay, sorry. So, Hg is mercury. Tura, Hg, kanang blue, number 80. Atomic number. So, na siya 2 ka charge, that is 1, oh, shit. Okay. So, nasa 2 charges, you have 1 plus and 2 plus. Alright? And then now, we bring this down to negative, equate to 0 para ma-stabilize ang compound. So we put a plus here. So 1 plus or 2 plus. So ito yung mabutang diri 2 plus. So 2 positive and 2 negative. Meron siyang 0. Yes. Now that our equation is true, then we can write our compound name. So we have Hg, mercury, our charge to oxide. Okay? I lang yun na. Wala 8, wala inana. Because metal and non-metal, mali siya mapandi. Alright? So, recap po ang atong ions nga present, okay? So, igo lang niya nato ibutang diri. Kung unsay ibutang diri. So, for example, Hg 2 plus o O 2 minus. Okay? Hg 2 plus O2 minus. Alright. Let's move to the next example. So, SnF4. SnF4. So, Sn isa ra siyang kabitlog. Ang F4 upat siyang kabitlog. So, F Okay, so ang fluoride, ang say charge ni fluoride, so negative 1 yung charge. So let's write na minus 1. So let's add all the betlogs. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4. Keep the sign negative because that is a non-metal. Okay, so 4 minus equate to 0 para ma-stabilize ang compound. Now we have Sn. Sn is tin. So tin. Wait, wala pa. Okay, so 4 minus. Unsa man ang dapat na charge? 4. Unsa yung mga charges ni tin? Plus 2, 2 plus, or 4 plus. Okay? So kani ang atong kuhaon. So 4 plus ang ilang charge. So 4 plus plus 4 minus, 4 positive plus 4 negative equals 0. Now that our equation is true, we can now write our ions present, which is Sn 4 plus and F1 minus. Pwede rin dapat F minus o I prefer it this way. So Sn4 plus and F1 minus. So now we can also write our compound name. So Sn, so tin, so our metal, and then the charge in Roman numeral, tin for fluoride. F-L-U-O-R-I-D-E. Dili harina, fluor, dili flar, fluoride. Right? Ano ni siya ang atong compound name. So now we are done with symbol to name. Now we are going to go for our name to symbol. So we have iron 3 oxide. Iron 3 oxide. So let us recall. So this part of the compound is your metal. And the second element in your BIC is your non-metal. Right? So a quick mnemonic for our compound is that there is a plus sign in metal. So as you can see, Ni plus, and so the metals are always positive and the non-metals are always negative. So not siya minus diha, so negative. So now let us first put our ions present so that we are going to be able to convert it to symbol. So iron 3, as we all know, this is the charge. Metal, charge, and ion. Cation and ion. Okay? So we have iron 3, so metal. So we have Fe. And then this is our charge. We have 3 plus oxide. Now, recalling, oxide in our periodic table has a charge of 2 minus. Okay? Excuse. So now let us write both elements again and let us swap. That easy. Okay? So O goes here. So Fe2, O3. So that is iron 3 oxide in symbol. Alright? Inana lang kasi yun. So next we have chromium 3 phosphide. So chromium, we have chromium 3. So this is our metal, non-metal. This one is 3, so plus 3. Phosphide, you look for your periodic table. Okay, phosphide has negative 3. Okay? So now you are going to swap places. You write both elements at once, and then you swap their places. P goes here, Cr goes there. And now notice they have the same subscript. So we have their LCDs, and we can reduce them to CRP. So that is our chromium 3 phosphide. So CRP, okay? Chromium 3 phosphide. So we reduce them to the lowest form. Therefore, we get CRP. And now for our last example, copper. Copper is our metal. So we write Cu plus 1 oxide in our periodic table. Tama sa periodic table kung yung may baba. And we have negative 2. And now, let us swap places. Right? Cu and O. Boom. 2. 1. Sulat pa ang 1, dili na. And therefore, we have our element. I mean, compound symbol. And that is all. Thank you for watching.